Hello, good morning friends. Today at Aryan Silks we are showing you some nice Kanjipuram pure silk sarees. All the sarees are coming up with unique designs, color combinations, and if you like any of our sarees, please do write to us at silksaryan@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp at the given number. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Friends, every saree is unique. These are all handcrafted by our handloom artisans. The pride of South India, Kanjipuram sarees. We are coming up with different sarees today. I am going to show you one by one. Every saree is unique. All the sarees have come with three types of sarees. One is silver, gold and copper. So three sarees, the sarees are made of and pure silk. Just if you like any of the sarees I mentioned, please do leave a comment. The first one coming here is in pastel blue shade. The pastel blue shade saree, beautiful pastel blue shade saree which is in trend now. The silver jari pallu, beautiful color combination. Just see the color of the saree, very elegant, suitable for all our traditional and fancy occasions. Just don't leave a chance to grab this saree. The saree has silver motifs all over and a nice silver pallu. And here you can see the border. One side you can see the silver border, fancy border given here, and the other side we have a tissue border in silver. So all the sarees are coming with three types of sarees. The first one here is in silver jari. Hope you are getting a nice view of this beautiful saree, pastel colored saree to suit all of us. No matter what our complexion is, the saree will suit all of us. The saree is coming with a beautiful plain pastel blue blouse. Just see the blouse piece also. It is coming in the same color, the vintage color combination. The beautiful pastel blue silver Kanjipuram pure silk saree, a unique design saree. The next one coming here is in snuff color, a beautiful vintage color combination again. Beautiful snuff colored saree. You would have seen this color combination in your grandma's wardrobe. Just see the color combination, the snuff color with baby pink. What a nice contrast color combination our weaver has come up with. And see the silver jari given all over the saree. This is called Vairusi saree. The Vairusi tissue kind of saree, Kanjipuram saree. It has come with silver jari all over the body, small checks. Hope you are getting a nice view of this small checks too. Small checkered saree with baby pink motif border with small temple border here. A temple design, beautiful color combination, and see the pallu. Just see the color combination of the saree. Very nice, very beautiful color combination. Very uniquely designed saree. Nice plain pallu here in baby pink with gold zari, silver and gold zari, and there is a plain blouse piece given to this saree. Plain blouse piece in pink color given to this saree. Just grab the saree. It will go very well on all of us. It will suit all our occasions. Lightweight sarees, fancy sarees. The next one coming here is in maroon red. A nice traditional maroon red color saree. Nice traditional maroon red colored saree. Just see the color combination of the saree with copper jari, copper motifs all over the body, and there is a fancy border, fancy mango border in copper jari. Beautiful saree, nice color combination. Just see the texture of the sarees. Very crisp sarees, just arrived from our handlooms, and see the pallu here, the bottle green pallu. Nice bottle green pallu with copper zari. You would have seen silver and gold. Now we have come up with this copper zari. Fast moving sarees, fast selling sarees, and there is a plain blouse piece. I mentioned all the sarees have blouse pieces in contrast and similar color. Maroon red colored saree with bottle green pallu and copper zari. Just mention the color of the saree. The next one coming is in purplish blue color. Beautiful purplish blue color. What an authentic color combination. Just see the color combination, friends. What a nice color combination our weavers have come up with. Purplish blue saree with silver motifs and silver border at the bottom. That silver just dazzles on this blue color. Dazzling silver Zari on this purplish blue color is giving you a bright look, and there is a silver pallu. Pink and orange dual tone pallu here for this saree. Purplish blue saree with pinkish orange pallu. Beautiful pallu, and there is a blouse piece along with this in plain color. The same color as in pallu. If you are a lover of a contrast colored saree, these sarees are for you. Just crafted to suit all of us. The next one coming is in cream color. If you like traditional series in Kanjipuram sarees, just own this saree. Cream colored saree, creamish yellow colored saree with gold zari all over. Just see the zari all over the saree. Creamish yellow saree with beautiful leaf green pallu. Beautiful leaf green pallu. If you are liking any traditional sarees, this one is for you. And there is a piping border here at the bottom. On both sides there is small piping border with leaf green zari pallu, beautiful pallu, and there is a leaf green blouse piece along with this. Just see the color combination. How beautiful it is. Just unique color combinations. The next one is again a trendy saree in sea green color. A trendy sea green colored saree. Beautiful trendy sea green colored saree with copper zari. Earlier also I showed you one more copper zari saree. This is one more here in sea green color. That copper zari stands unique on this sea green saree. See the motifs of the saree here. And just look at the border, the fancy border. All the sarees, most of the sarees have come with these fancy borders. A fancy border here with motifs all over sea green colored saree and a baby pink pallu with copper zari. Just see the color combination. You will love to wear this saree. Uniquely designed sarees, and there are blouse pieces also. And for this we have given a pink, baby pink blouse piece, baby pink plain blouse piece, and we have a beautiful pallu here with this sea green saree. Sea green saree with this beautiful pallu. Just mention the color of the saree as sea green saree. The next one, friends, traditional bottle green saree. Traditional bottle green saree here, and motifs everywhere. All over the body there are gold peacock motifs, which is giving it a more beautiful look. A traditional bottle green saree. Since wedding seasons are around the corner, you can just own these bright colored sarees. And there's a nice pinkish orange pallu for this. Bottle green saree with pinkish orange pallu. Great combination of green and pink. Very beautiful pinkish orange pallu with gold zari, and there are gold motifs all over the saree with bottle green base. The next one, the blouse. This is the blouse. The blouse for the saree is in pallu color, pinkish orange blouse piece, pinkish orange pallu, and bottle green saree. What a nice combination. Hope you are getting a nice look. The next one coming is in royal blue color. Friends, royal blue. You also mention it as electric blue color. Royal blue colored saree with uniquely designed zari all over. Just see the pattern of the zari here. Just see the pattern of the zari. This is the saree, royal blue colored saree. See the mangoes at the border. Mangoes here in the border, and uniquely designed zari body here with sky blue. What a rare combination. Usually you get to see these color combinations in crepe sarees. Now our Kanjipuram weavers have also come up with these color combinations on our Kanjipuram sarees too. Just look at the sky blue combination with this electric blue. A sober color pallu with a flashy color sari. Pallu of the sari. The sari here itself, the border has mangoes all over, and look at the zari stripes in the sari. Hope you are getting a nice look and view of this sari. And see, this is a beautiful plain blue blouse piece along with this sari. Nice beautiful royal blue sari. Just mention the color of the sari is royal blue and sky blue color combination. In the same design, same pattern, we have come up with one more color, that is in pinkish orange again. The dual tone sari. Pinkish orange dual tone sari in the same color combination. Just see the color combination, friends, and see the jari how it is placed all over the sari, which is making it very grand. It gives a perfect wedding look for you. And the mangoes, the sleeping mangoes in the border. On both sides we have the sleeping mangoes, and there's a pallu for this sari in green color. Green color pallu with this pinkish orange dual tone sari with the same zari stripes all over the sari, and there's a green plain blouse piece for this sari too. The blouse piece here. This is the sari. I'm just wearing them on myself to show you how it looks on you. We women, ladies are very curious just to see how they look on us. So I'm just wearing them on myself and showing you. This is a half and half sari. This is a half and half blue color, copper sulphate blue colored sari with brown, gold and silver jari design at the bottom. This is a half and half sari. Just it looks like this. A copper sulphate blue upper part of the sari is complemented with this brown color half and half jari at the bottom. And see the pallu again. This is the pallu in brown shade. Beautiful pallu given as it is in the bottom part of the sari. Beautiful gold zari on brown base. A nice pallu, very grand sari for all the wedding occasions. Just see the sari here. And this is the design, and there's a blouse piece, plain brown blouse piece along with the sari. Plain blouse piece along with the sari. Half and half sari. Just mention the colors of the saris, friends. Do not forget to mention these colors so that they are easy to identify for us. So friends, hope you've got a nice view of all the saris. If you like any of our saris, please, I mentioned, write to us. I'm waiting for your responses. Please do subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching our video.